pictures after.
Hamza, look here, I'll take a picture, man, look here. Make a serious face, man. Like super serious. Do like this. I'm taking a video, man, I'm sorry, man.
Maqsood! He been helping me, wallahi, this is all Maqsood.
No.
This is Maqsood, without
this is,
him...
we got
It wasn't
2013
gonna
Honda, 2013 Honda 1000cc with the custom wheels, with the custom paint, bunch of custom stuff. What else? What else? We got a 240 kit over here with a fat tire. The bike is still in the progress. Hamza is working on it, but it should be done very soon.
10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes. Yeah, he been saying that for all day. 10 minutes.
1 hour.
10 minutes. Nice. This is the bike. This is the bike. This is the bike right here. Man, I love the front of it. Looks nice. Look awesome. This.
Wait till you see the back, bro.
Okay, here's the bike.
Okay, now we need to move it forward so we can work on the tilt and the light. I think. What's this for? This is used to be for the seat, but no more. Lighting the seat.
Yeah, by the way, this is me. Like this.
Bro, this is dry, right?
Almost.
Yeah,
It should dry. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
It dry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's connect them.
Connect them again?
Yeah, not with connectors. Just leave them, even if one of them is on.
It's just on?
Yeah, but when you turn the bike off, it's not gonna drain the battery, you know? It's not. It don't stay on. Bike is off, right?